this moment, the proud parent will give their welcome message.
Good evening. Dakal salamat kay Pinta Boring Pinta. Ito po ang wala. Ang anak ko kasi magmula August 1 hanggang 25, lagi yung mabilang. Tsaka, ilang daan ko lang bayan yung karakal yung bisita na. May surprise siya. Tsaka natakas naman kinaiwan eh.
Hey, for that heartwarming message. Ay, grabe ako.
People, good afternoon po sa lahat. I wish you all the best. Happy birthday. And nawa, lalo kang maging mabuting bata. And pakinggan mo ang lahat ng mga sinasabi ng mga magulang ko. Kasi pag sumusunod ka sa mga magulang mo, magiging successful ka sa buhay. Diba? Happy birthday. We love you.
Next.
Sino nakakain? Alay! Lele apple, alright. Okay, so buddy, aside of the French fries, what is the favorite food of what is fast food? Jacob's favorite? Chicken nuggets. Are you favorite the chicken nuggets, Nicole? Yeah!
Next is Margaret Baka.
Happy birthday, Chico. We love you so much.
And last but not the least, Ethan Coleman Lily.
Birthday, Jacob.
Hawakan mo yung mic. Sige.
Love you, Jacob.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay,
birthday namin. Muna dili po, ting akong Ginoo. Salamat kami po kayo uling. Hindi na kami po pagkakataon na masaya niyo po niya ng pagkakas. So, kasi lang, anak kami yung kuha na nasa tinunaan yung pangkili. Anyawa ko, bray, mama, at saka daddy. Para atin nagkiyakay pang Domingo. Salamat po sa rin Manalo family, Naku family, Bartolo family, sa rin po Kaluguran me, sa rin po kaya din po King Obra, saan pong dakala sa mga family mo. Special thanks you po sa mga Karen at Kuya Boy, kung po na mag-design ni ang Ginoo. Kang ate ko po, kaya magaling na ang MC, at saka po, pero po, concern si Ate and Lugban sa usapan. May po Mars Garden Restaurant, thank you so much po kung kanyang bigay po niya kami. Nakikita ka na salamat. Invite you on the road.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Sali ka bang Happy birthday.
To Kuya Steven, just want to say happy birthday, and I hope that you guys have a great time celebrating it to more life.
Happy birthday, Jacob.
Always stay kind and a loving son.
More birthdays to come and may God bless you always.
We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.